Hey guys, I'm Shritama and welcome back to my channel. And today is the 15th of January and today we are going to be starting packing for our trip. I know I don't look the best. Let's just prep and pack for our trip. I'm going to take you guys with what all I'm going to carry and just let's hope everything fits into my suitcase. I'm going to take a suitcase and a carry-on, not too much. Suitcase ka limit I think is 15 kilos and carry-on ka limit is 7 kilos. So I'll try to be within that only. Let's go. We have to pack a ton of stuff. I also need to film a haul video as well. So the plan of action is I'm just gonna dump the clothes right now right here on the floor, and this is my suitcase. I don't know why everything right now is lavender as a purple mere theme ka, but this has always been my eternal suitcase. So I'm gonna carry this is what my suitcase looks like. I'm gonna just put my clothes here and I'm gonna put all my clothes here and then we're gonna be packing. And this time I'm really planned. I have just written down all the clothes which I am gonna be wearing, the clothes with the outfits, some ideas which I've written, so you can see over here, and I'm gonna be packing according to the list. So clearly I cannot pack my own stuff at all, so my sister is gonna be helping me. I know I'm a 20-year-old kid jisko khud apna saman pack karna nahi aata, so I'm lucky like I have her, so she'll help me in everything. I'm just gonna literally sit and order her and she's gonna help me pack my bag. That's it. And really I could not dress better. I know I look really awful, but मुझ में ताकत नहीं अभी इतना dress up करने की for a video. I just want to present my real raw self, if you will. Let's get to packing.
You are absolutely good for nothing.
I know that, and I already said that in my vlog. I said that in my vlog that I'm a 20-year-old baby.
Baby?
Yeah, cause I can't.
Sorry, capybara.
So I can't pack my bag. You're gonna have to help me. And you're up for it obviously because you do not have any other option.
I'm literally panting. तुम्हारे कपड़े ढूंढते.
This is not even half the stuff. I'm just gonna dictate.
And here you're like filming.
Of course.
Like you think we have that much of time?
Yeah.
Like, seriously?
Yeah.
I mean day 1 ta consider kuch nahi because day 1 ta hocche airport look. Day 2 থেকে I'll start telling you what all I will need. Okay. I need the blue jumpsuit. One just diya basu diyechna.
There's literally so much kapde fellowfied everywhere and our house is not even that organized. Wow. These two tops I think I'm gonna be taking. Let's go. Acha shown day 5 I am wearing that lavender top mattes wala, then black jeans ta I have over here, lavender top ta anta hai to. I've just dumped all of my clothes into this suitcase and now I think we're gonna start the packing. Okay, I won't get time to do a full haul, but let me show you some things. This is one bag which I've purchased. This is a very pretty periwinkle blue bag, and this is like a sling bag, and you can take this also as a handbag. This is something which we are going to be carrying. This is primarily for my sister, but I think I'm going to steal it from her as well. These are the next two essentials which I'm going to be carrying. This one is the Sanfi's acne patch. Just in case I get some severe bad acne, I bought it. I've used two of it. It's not the most effective, but I'm going to carry it irrespective. And the next one I think is extremely important and every traveler should have this. That is this pee buddy. It's a funnel for peeing outside. Especially as women, we are really prone to UTIs. So I think ye rakhna comes really handy. And it's of course in my favorite color, the purplish shade. So of course I got this. Also this is like the reusable variant in the silicone material. So like I don't have to purchase this every time. So definitely a very useful product. Okay, this one is yet another important item, and this is a sunscreen spray. It's very important to apply sunscreen on your body. We often forget that. So I specifically got this. Actually I got this one in PR. So I'm really glad कि मुझे मिला. So I'm definitely carrying this.
Get you out of my mind. It's like I feel it for the first time. Been thinking about you all night. I've been searching for this all my life. You're just my type. I've been looking for a boy who can treat me right. Your dark hair with those eyes so bright. They look into my soul and it sparks my life. Can I take you there? Like it was the first time. Do you remember? Can I take you there? Back to when we felt like this was forever. Can I take you there? Like it was.
So for the time being, thoda bahut packing kar liya. I think only the shoes and jewelry is left.
The rest makeup and all I'm going to take in my bag. The first round of packing is done. It's mostly done and I'm really happy because there's a lot of space which is left in my bag as well. So I still need to take my shoes and the jewelry. I think makeup and all I'm just going to carry in my luggage, like the hand luggage if you will. And I found one more pouch where I can take my jewelry and stuff. So I need to pack my jewelry still. The makeup and skincare has been prepped and packed like weeks ago. And yeah, right now I'm gonna grab some dinner. I need to prep for the trip as well, like the shaving and eyebrow stuff I need to do. So I think we're gonna do that tomorrow. I think I'm gonna be carrying this bag for my cabin luggage, like carry on. This is my laptop bag and it's quite small and compact. मुझे ज़्यादा कुछ लेना भी नहीं है. It'll perfectly fit the excess stuff which I need. So yeah.
First time to remember, can I take you there? You're what I need.
The packing is mostly done and it's right now I think 10:30, 11 o'clock at night. I'm feeling quite relieved. I've packed the jewelry, I've packed the makeup, I have put everything inside my carry-on. The final luggage wala packing thoda sa bacha hai, but for the most part it's done and I'm really glad. But as you can see by my condition, my hair and everything is just a mess. So I need to do those as well. So let's see kab karte hain. Tomorrow I have college and we are leaving the day after. Ekdam early morning flight hai. So I don't know when I'm gonna get time to prep myself, but we'll go through that. I think I'm just gonna call it a night and let's see what we do tomorrow. We have a long day ahead of us. So welcome back to my vlog. This is day 2 and as you can see मैं college से like 2 hours पहले आ गई थी and I have taken a shower and washed my hair only once. Time नहीं मिला so I just washed my hair once. Now I'm gonna just dry it, apply some serum and final जो बहुत minute packing है वो finish करेंगे. Let me share yet another mini haul with you guys and please ignore my table because everything is a mess right now. So today I got these few things. This one is wheat which I'm gonna use right now just to shave because I didn't. So I'll use this. Then of course I had to get my favorite Himalaya purifying neem face wash because I am planning on wearing makeup and removing it and this is my favorite face wash. So definitely had to get this, but ये भी शायद कम पड़ जाए for 10 days. Then of course one of the most important things which I got is paper soap. ये मैं हमेशा लेके चलती हूँ and it's very important. इसका price बढ़ गया है, like this is for $5. I remember पहले it was for like 1 or 2 rupees. Obviously with changing times price बढ़ गया है, but this is again a necessity for whenever you're traveling. I had shown this bag to you guys yesterday and इसमें मैंने एकदम बहुत essential type सामान लिया है. Paper soap है, cotton, pea buddy, etc. Okay, some sunscreen I'm guessing. This is a sunscreen, so I've taken all of these stuff over here. This is my skincare plus essentials bag. Plus if you can see right there that Emirates wala bag, this one, I'm gonna carry this one also for on the go purpose के लिए. This has always been my essential bag. Need to carry this type B USB for charging my earphone, so I'm gonna put it in this bag only.
Can I take you there? Always falling for the wrong guys. They keep telling me it's alright. How could I be so blind?
I think with that we are done with the last leg of the packing. I think everything is done. I have even kept my sandals and everything, so I think we are good to go. It is 9:30 at night right now and behind me you can see there's a lot of baggage that is still there, but for the most part the packing is done. I have packed my carry-on as well and I think we are almost done. Abhi dinner karenge and I think that's it. So that's it for this video. I really hope that you guys enjoyed it and if you did, you know the drill, like, share and subscribe to my channel. I'll meet you from my travel destination. Till then, be safe and be kind to others. Bye.
I've been searching for this all my life.